gonna do a clean with me video. I am gonna deep clean, organize my bedroom upstairs. When I did a clean with me video, I'll link that video down below. I cleaned the entire house except for my room because honestly my room takes all day. And I'll show you why. My room is a hot mess. It's disorganized, and today is the day that I have finally decided I need to get it together. But first things first, I gotta stay hydrated, so I'm boiling some water so that I can make some matcha ice cream tea. And while I'm waiting for this to boil, I'm gonna put some laundry in the dryer because I think it's done. So let's get started, you guys. I'm putting some clothes that are dry into a basket and I'll fold that later. And shockingly, in the evening, Justin actually folded it. Woohoo! Thank you, Justin. And now I'm putting the wet laundry into the dryer. And as you can see, my water has boiled, so I'm gonna make some matcha ice cream tea. I don't really add milk or sugar or anything. I just like ice and just green tea and I'm good to go. I didn't drink much green tea when I was breastfeeding Jacob because I read that it messes with your milk supply. But now that I'm all done breastfeeding Jakey, I can go cray. Are you guys ready to see the hot mess that is my room? No judgment, okay? So this is what we're gonna be cleaning today. We have 4 bedrooms and none has storage for our lights for filming and stuff, so we keep it here. My vanity is a mess. We're gonna clean that up. Bedroom is just completely a mess. I haven't made the bed or anything yet. And then we're gonna also clean the bathroom. Dun dun dun. Bathroom is a hot mess too. I don't know why I'm singing that. And we're gonna clean the toilets and the showers and all that too. First thing I'm gonna do is tidy up all the things on the dresser, things that I need to put in the dishwasher like cups and stuff. And I'm gonna remove all the bedding so I can wash it. This is something that I do once a week. I love clean sheets day. That's my favorite. I swear to you, I sleep better when it's the first night of clean sheets. Is that a thing? Let me know if you guys feel the same way. I put some backup fitted sheets on the bed. I actually prefer the blue ones. They're softer, but that's okay. And then I'm just gonna put some clean pillowcases. And then I don't know what I'm doing there. Oh, I found a clean pillowcase, so I'm gonna put that onto our larger Cal King pillowcase. And then that's all I had for clean sheets and stuff, so I'm removing the duvet so I can wash that as well. I get a lot of questions about this duvet set, and I got it at Pottery Barn. I think it's still available online, so I'm just disinfecting the remote controls because I like to disinfect remote controls, handles, and everything. I was recently sick, so I'm trying to not get the family sick, so I'm really disinfecting every handle that you could possibly touch. My phone, every single place, switches and everything. And then I was like, oh my gosh, it's been a while since I dusted those little chandelier balls, so I'm like, let me do that. And I put back everything in its place. And as you can see, here I am again. Oh my gosh, I had to show you guys my earplugs. Justin snores loud, so yeah, that's why I have earplugs. And I'm disinfecting my office station. This is where I edit, you guys, on the bed, on this little computer thing. You would think I would have a real office, but I don't. The real office is downstairs and it's Justin's because he needs it more than I do. Just went ahead and hung some clothes that needed to be hung, and then this is the area where Justin will put his random clothes, and they're clean. They're just his workout clothes. I folded them and I put them away in the closet, and now I'm just wiping down the TV and also behind the TV. That's where it's really dusty and I don't really pay attention to that area much, and I really should. So today is the day, and I'm spraying our drawer. This is Geranium by Mrs. Meyers, you guys. It smells amazing. So now it's time to tidy up the bathroom sink. This is the sink that Justin and I have together. His is on the right and mine is on the left, if you guys can see. Can you guys tell? Justin's little razor is right over there on the right, so that's when you can tell oh, that's Justin's side. I have to admit, my sink is cleaner than his. Just kidding, not really. So I went ahead and I shined the mirrors, and I think I'm using this brand. I think it's called like Real Simple. I bought it from Grow Collaborative. If you guys are interested, you guys can use my link, my invite link, and you can get like a 5-piece Mrs. Meyers set for free. And I'm not working with them, but I did before, and honestly that link, the invite link, really works. And if you guys use my link, I get like credit to shop the site, and I just use the credit to buy more shopping cleaning supplies. So this thing is like tangled up, so I was trying to like tidy it, but I can't really do much with that because camera equipment looks messy no matter what. I change the towels regularly, and when I say regularly, almost daily. I actually read somewhere that you're supposed to change it daily, and I wiped everything down. It's looking so clean. I'm changing Justin's towel. I don't change Justin's towel every day. He just doesn't want me to, but I change mine every day. That's just how I am. I grew up like that, so. And here I am disinfecting everything, trying to not get anyone sick, because I don't know what I had, but it was like the flu or something that knocked me out for 2 days. And here I am. Oh my gosh, if only you knew. I was listening to Post Malone, dancing and singing to it, scrubbing the toilet, getting down. Oh my gosh, I was really loving that song. And there's this trick where if you put your brush, it's supposed to stay and like drain all the wetness, but I don't know, my toilet seat doesn't do it. The old house did, but it's not heavy enough to. So I'm gonna change the gloves because I went and touched the toilets, and now I'm gonna go ahead and spot mop. And I bought that mop cleaner again from the Grow Collaborative site, and I wash the mop regularly every time I use it, and then I just hang dry it so that's nice and clean. And I use 2 towels on my feet to kind of dry the floor while I'm mopping at the same time. I love that scent. It's like a lemon ginger scent. It smells so good. And now, dun dun dun, the shower. So I'm just gonna clean up the shower, and I think I'm using scrub bubbles that you cannot buy at Grow Collaborative. They sell like green, safe cleaning supplies more so than scrub bubbles. But I like using scrub bubbles every now and then, especially in my shower, but not really the kids, you know, because kids, their skin and like breathing in all that stuff, it's not good for them. But in my bathroom, it's not a big deal. So I need your recommendations on something for the window. As you can see, it doesn't look completely streaky clean, you know what I'm saying? Like, I need help. Should I buy some CLR? What do you guys use for your showers? Because I need help. So I'm just disinfecting the floors, scrubbing that down too. And then, you know, it has like that chemical scent, so I poured water there. I mean, I could have turned on the shower, but then the shower would have like made it streaky again and everything, and I didn't want to go back and wipe it down again. And here I'm wiping down the trash. Yes, my friends, sometimes I feel like people forget that your trash gets dirty too, so you gotta clean your trash too. And my beauty blender was dirty, so I wanted to clean my beauty blender up before I use it tomorrow. I usually clean my beauty blender the moment before I use it, but sometimes to save time, I like to do it in advance. So the sheets are good to go. I'm ready to make the bed because they have been washed in the washing machine. I don't know about you, but I like to double up my pillowcases on like my pillowcase. And if you guys see Justin's pillow, it's so flat. He loves himself a flat pillow. And then when I do the sheets, I actually don't tuck it in because Justin doesn't like tucked in sheets. And Justin is the duvet man. He does the duvet for me every single time. It's like teamwork. I do everything else, you do the duvet, and I am happy. So thank you, Justin, so much for doing this for me. And then towards the end, I went ahead and I buttoned up the duvet with him because it's all about teamwork. Woohoo! We're all done! And so now I'm just going to continue to make the bed. I've had those yellow pillows for years. I won't let go of them. I don't even know if they go with the bed, but whatever. So this little corner of the room is where I keep a lot of like my PR packages that I haven't gone through. So I'm going through them right now, putting it in containers, saving them for future giveaways, and also saving some for my mom and my sister and my best friend Dee. So that corner, I don't know, like it just stays so messy. So today's the day. I keep the weights over there or else I won't use them. And now it's time to vacuum. I mentioned this before and I will link it again, but this Dyson vacuum is everything. I love it so much. I just like the fact that it's cordless. Like I don't have to worry about like plugging it in and all that, you know what I mean? Now it's time to clean the mirrors on my vanity. That's my vanity. It's like a Pottery Barn teen, but it works well for me. It's got so much storage, so why not? So I'm putting some of the stuff away that I need to put away. And as you can see, I'm just using a little tripod and my Canon G7X because it autofocuses compared to a DSLR. Oh my gosh, the vanity is my least favorite area to tidy up because it's just so much product. So now I'm wiping everything down with some Lysol disinfectant wipes. Of course, the handles. You guys know me and my handles. I will disinfect every handle I see. Putting away some makeup, putting it back onto the little acrylic tray that I like to use. And those are like my go-to products that I use daily. So I just kept it on the vanity. And then I put a blanket on top of the chair because you know why? I would stain it with foundation if I didn't do that. That's the honest reason. The room is looking so nice and clean as it could get. So thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up.